In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date format in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, you'll have to change your computer's date format, okay? Let me show you how to achieve this. Now, inside QuickBooks, I'm gonna go to Company right now, and I'm gonna click on Make General Journal Entries over here, just so we can see what my format right now is. So I have this format right now. If I go down here, bottom right, you can see that's my format. So I can go and right-click, and I click on Adjust Date and Time. Whenever you do this, it's going to open up your settings, and what you want to do is scroll down a bit, and from here it says related links, language, and region. Click on that, and then from here you'll see it says regional format, and that's where you can change it. So I have the recommended version, which is this one over here for my country, but if I click on that, I can basically find the one that's relevant for me, so the one I want to change into. If I scroll down, for example, let's do English Canada, and as you can see, it's going to change it right away, and now this is the format. If I go and open up QuickBooks yet again, you'll be able to see that in here, if I click on any date and change it, it's going to go into that format I changed into, okay? And now whenever you refresh your program, it's going to basically change all of them, and this is now your new date format. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.